Hello everyone, welcome back to our English conversation practice series. Today we are talking about skincare routines, a popular topic among teenagers and young adults. You will learn useful sentences and vocabulary to talk about skincare, buy products, and ask for advice in English. So let's get started. Talking about skincare routine. Sophie, hey Mia, your skin looks so fresh and glowing. What's your skincare routine? Mia, oh, thanks Sophie. I just follow a simple routine cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Sophie, that sounds nice. Do you use sunscreen too? Mia, yes, sunscreen is so important. I never leave the house without it. Sophie, I need to start using sunscreen daily. Any recommendations? Mia, sure. Look for one with SPE 50 and no white cast. Asking for skincare advice. Jack, oh, my skin is so dry these days. What should I do? Emma, you should use a hydrating moisturizer. Also drink lots of water. Jack, do face mask help with dry skin? Emma, yes, a sheet mask with hyaluronic acid will work wonders. Jack, I will try that. Thanks for the tip. Shopping for skincare at Sephora. Customer, excuse me, I need help choosing a good cleanser. Salesperson, sure, what's your skin type? Dry, oily, or combination? Customer, I think I have oily skin. Salesperson, I would recommend this foaming cleanser. It's control oil without drying your skin. Customer, that sounds perfect. Is it fragrance free? Salesperson, yes, it's gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. Would you like to try a sample? Customer, yes, please. Discussing skincare trends. Lisa, have you seen the glass skin trend on TikTok? Nana, yes, everyone is obsessed with glowing, flawless skin. Lisa, how do people achieve that? Nana, they use hydrating toner, serums, and lots of sunscreen. Lisa, I think I need to upgrade my skin routine. Handling common skincare problems. Amy, ugh, I woke up with a huge pimple on my face. Sarah, oh no, don't pop it. Use some pimple patches. Amy, do they really work? Sarah, yes. They absorb the oil and reduce redness. Amy, I'll try that. I hope it disappears before my school event. Visiting a dermatologist. Doctor, what brings you here today? Ella, I have sensitive skin and I get breakouts often. Doctor, do you use any specific skincare products? Ella, just a face wash and a moisturizer. Doctor, I recommend using a gentle cleanser and a non-greasy moisturizer. Also, avoid touching your face too much. Ella, got it. Thank you, doctor. Complimenting someone's skin. Rachel, wow, Olivia, your skin looks amazing. What products do you use? Olivia, thanks, Rachel. I use vitamin C serum and a lightweight moisturizer. Rachel, your skin is glowing. Any special tip? Olivia, always remove your makeup before bed and use sunscreen daily. And that's for it today's conversation practice. Now you know how to talk about sun care in English. Try practicing these dialogues with a friend or repeat after me to improve your fluency. What skincare topics was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English learning videos. See you next time.